Hey there, want to teach a teen about investing? Opening a Fidelity Youth account gives them hands-on experience with a real brokerage account, under your supervision. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Here's the simple way to set it up. As a parent or guardian, you must have your own Fidelity account first. Then, from your account summary page, look for the option to open a Fidelity Youth account. You'll complete the application with your teen's information. Once approved, your teen gets their own login, can research and trade most securities, and learns with real money in a controlled environment. My crucial pro tip: use this as a teaching tool, not just a gift. Set regular check-ins to discuss their investments, why they chose them, and the results. It's a safe space to learn about market cycles, risk, and long-term thinking before they're on their own. That's how you build financial literacy for the next generation. What's one financial lesson you wish you'd learned as a teen? Share it below. For more guides on family finance, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you soon.